Thing. We heard a noise in the fireplace, and this guy was in the fire, gone down the flue. So Luke rescued him. He doesn't look like he's in too much of a hurry to fly away.
Oh, he booked it into a window.
Oh, he hit a window.
Yeah. It's a little soft bird brain. He's probably a bit fucking dazed. Yeah.
You gonna fly away? Yeah.
Just got a bird buddy now.
Bit concussed. Oh, you can hear his mates. Yeah, it's your mates. There you go. You've been stuck in the fire for who knows how long. That noise was probably him trying to get back up.
There's about 4 others in there as well.
Oh, well,
that didn't make it. Yeah.
Was he like that?